ආර හදනවාද විශේෂ දෙයක් බලමු අහලා මොනවද හදන්නේ කියලා. Dani, what are you making today?
Well, I thought as your home today, I would treat you. So I'm making the rest of the wadi we did
Ah.
on the weekend. I just made some.
වඩේ හදනවා. අර ඉදා ඉතුරු වෙච්ච වඩේ ටික ඉතුරු ටික.
Then sambal.
Uh-huh.
And I just made the toasted.
You making tosa? Oh, nice. Tosa.
The onions and toothpicks and
මේ මොනවද මේ?
ready to go in there. There's the
අම්මා
curry
කරේකුත් හදලා.
with the vegetables, lentils are in there.
Wow, you become Sri Lankan housewife.
Well, I was thinking, honey, I'm not going to get you back to work. I'm going to get used to this every day.
අම්මා නියෝ කෑමන්නේ හදන්නේ අද. Wow.
Looking good, honey?
Yeah. Oh my God. Tosa and wadi.
It's a good thing.
What? Yeah, they are. Tosa and wadi in Sri Lanka like proper meal.
You put them together as a meal.
Yeah. Normally not this wadi. Yeah, we use this wadi as well.
So
You know
mean
the round wadi. Yeah.
I like
Masala wadi. No,
Yeah,
the ulundu wadi.
I like
This is called masala wadi. The ulundu wadi.
We need to go to a shop. I need the round one. I like that.
Yeah, you can make them.
Yeah, that's true. This one is easier though.
අම්මා නියමයිනේ බොලේ අද. Wow.
Feeling hungry, honey?
Yes, of course.
Alright, so now this one with the onions and the chilies and everything, I'm gonna put like half of that in this sausage mixture and then the other half will go in the curry.
Temperado. It's called temperado. Wow. I can put some oil too.
A little bit of oil as well.
Okay. Wow. You're super genius.
Now I'm gonna mix these together ready to make the pasta.
Yeah.
I like the combination of onions and
Yeah.
curry leaves. I like
It's nice, isn't it?
it. It's a bit like a pancake, but with more flavor.
Yes. නියමයි අද නම් කෑම. අද වැඩට ගියෙත් නෑ මම. අද හෙටයි මම ඉන්න කියලා තීරණය කරා. ඉතින් මේ දවස් දෙකෙත් අන්තිමට ලංකාවේ කෑම කන්න පුළුවන්. Not bad. Tati, I think oil is ready now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I hope that it's not as much oil as the other day.
Yeah, it's ready.
I really don't like oil. I really don't like it. You should be nice and do this for me, okay? That's enough.
Half.
Well, yeah, I did 4 that
How many
time.
were they? How many were
There's
they?
9.
9.
I put
Yeah,
more
it's
this
leftovers,
time.
isn't it? Yeah.
We had more the other day.
Yeah. We had a 14 or 15.
Yeah, I think about 50 because we did some
Yeah.
earlier 4 months. I think
Yeah.
about 12 months.
Is curry ready now?
We're
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
get
it's
stir.
nearly there.
We're gonna stir.
Sambar.
Potatoes, lentils, green beans, carrots, cabbage,
Aubergine.
aubergine.
Wow. Taste, darling. Did you check the taste?
Hang on. It's
Good?
okay.
Oh. Temperado. Are you doing cooking class these days?
It feels like every day now I'm making or something.
Sarah made us a Sri Lankan cooking class Sri Lankan food cooking class, isn't it? By Sarah.
It's only because it's your holiday, so I can take you and make this things.
Yeah.
Normally we don't have time. So we
Yeah.
don't work and everything. So these days, don't get used to it. Honey.
I want to eat Sri Lankan food. Wow. Hello, Carol. Where are you going? Sarah ikkan yawa yawi. Sambar. It's ready, isn't it?
Yeah, that curry's ready. So I'm going to put that over there. And then we can start to make the tossa. I did tossa.
Tosi. Tosi.
You're going to make 4 to each?
More.
Are you really hungry today?
Anything Sri Lankan, I'm hungry.
Yeah, you need to just take your penny. 2 weeks holiday, definitely.
Oh, the බඩ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන වං පැප් එකක් වෙලා තියෙන මගේ බඩ. සාරගේ කෑම කාලේ විදස්සර. Use some paper, darling. Yes. That's us. Oh. Pancake, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pancake.
These are probably ready now.
What are you ready? Oh, yeah.
Right.
වඩේ නම් අම්මා නියමයි ඒක.
Now you get the other half.
Scary thing. Use your spoon, isn't it? Like the other day.
Yeah, did I do this with you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why I did? Why you didn't tell me that a minute ago?
I thought you were expert now. Nice. You're flip that one, isn't it? You had to leave a little bit long. That's okay. So,
So honey, soon it's time to pick up Jen and Dylan.
oh, then Jaden no, I didn't know I can get on the camera. Ada වැඩ ගොඩයි නේ. It's too much work today, isn't it?
There's so many clubs. We got 3 more clubs.
ඔව් ජේඩන්ට තියෙනවා මොනවද after school club එකක් තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ football තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ swimming තියෙනවා වැඩ ගොඩයි යාට අද.
And Dylan football.
ඩිලන්ගේ football එකකුත් තියෙනවා. අපි දෙන්නම යන්න ඕනේ මේ සවුදට.
Normally I go to swimming, don't I? And Jaden's football. Then
Oh.
you pack for work and meet me there, and then I.
Can I try?
Of course, honey, I know you can't wait.
You can have half.
Okay, honey.
No, have half. Wow, look at that. Crunchy. Look, you're getting better now. Huh?
That's
Yeah.
your fault. You told me last time.
You like this food?
I do like it, but something like I say, I find it a lot. So like, I mean, I'll have it now, but I won't eat it again for a couple more months. But like, wadi or milk, other things I'll eat like weekly, but this one I.
You know, you didn't make kottu.
Oh yeah, kottu.
Yeah.
That we love kottu. We make the chicken kottu, vegetable kottu, cheese.
Sara ගොඩක් cheese කොත්තු කන්නත් කැමති. This is really good. Wow. Ready?
I think so. They look the right color.
Golden brown. You're looking for golden brown.
I would say they got it.
That's nice.
Now to say so sad that we can eat.
Yeah. Busy afternoon, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll just sing it.
සාරට ඉතින් සෞන්දර්යයට ගොඩක් අඩ තියෙනවා. I think අනිත් දවසට වැඩිය සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 3 පාරක් යන්න ඕනේ ඉස්කෝලේ. How many times you go to school? 4? No, 6 times.
8 round trip.
8
4
times.
times. 8.
Oh,
So I go
සාරා
in the morning.
4 පාරක් යනවා ඉස්කෝලේ ගිහින් එන්න. ඉතින් 8 පාරක් යනවා යන්නයි එන්න.
Yeah, I go in the morning to drop them all. At 11:30 to pick Callum. Then Dylan finishes 3:10, and then Jaden does that clubs normally 3 days after school, the days I'm not working, so he finishes 4:15, and then after that we have up to either 1, 2, or 3 extra clubs after that. So
Oh, yeah.
that's homework, showers.
Yeah. මාර ගේමක් ගහනවා සාරා ගෙදර ඉඳලා මේ තුන්දෙනාත් එක්ක. Isn't it? You doing such a good job.
Yeah, I don't even know the timetables, so just know they would do
මම කලන්න කියනවා මතකත් නෑ මට. මම එලාම් තියාගෙන එහෙම වැඩේ කරන්නේ. Isn't it?
Yeah, I don't even say alarm. I just know in my head. And all the things on my calendar, you know, like dressing up days of school, isn't it? Or like wear a set colour, charity days.
Rubbish.
Oh. Yeah, rubbish, so many things. And you just wake up, go to work. That's it.
I'm doing the hard bit.
Yeah,
Paying the bills.
I know. Wait, but my money is also paying some stuff. Food.
Your money not even enough for food.
Yeah, the way you like to this holiday.
Last one. You make only 4. I think 4 enough. 4ක් ඇති. මාර ලොකු ඒවා හදන්න. You have to take every bit. You see other spoon, right?
Yeah, okay. It's hard, isn't it, still?
I need. You have to be quick, darling.
I was thinking to make a last small one, but you said put it all, so I'm just doing what you're telling me.
Yeah, look. It's good, isn't it? අන්තිම එක. Last one, eh?
Yeah, the second one.
Oh, nice. When you make Sri Lankan food, you have so much to clean up, isn't it?
But I think as one person is cooking, the other person should clean.
What? I don't understand.
Exactly, you just understand to eat. It's okay, honey, you aren't confident.
I'll help you to finish this food.
Yeah, that's what you can't.
Thosai. Thosai, vade, sambar, sambola. Yeah, it's called sambar.
I was thinking you said something.
Yeah, that's sambar. It's sambar. This. Yeah. Wow, Callum.
Oh, look careful.
Mm.
Some hot food.
Callum, careful. Yeah, පාට කරලා. Did you do everything? Did you color it?
Yeah, so you colour it and then you can wash it up.
Ah.
You can colour it again once it's dry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you have a special pencil or something?
Yeah.
Pens, color pens.
You get five pencils.
Finish?
Yeah. Before it's finished, you can put the curry on and garnish.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. Curry.
Oh, wow. Nice, nice. Did you put aubergine as well, yeah? Yeah.
I thought you meant literally on your plate. Yeah. Oh, let me get a spoon. I'm sure I've used about 8 spoons already.
Yeah. Nice, 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 nice.
Want a little bit more, honey?
Yeah, a little bit more. Best thing, isn't it? Sambar.
Alrighty. Here you go, my love.
Wow. Nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
Callum, do you want some? You don't like curry, isn't it? It's hot. Wow, darling, this is really good.
I hope it tastes good.
Oh, there you go. Near one,